Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are safe at home. This is K. Ravishankar, your social studies teacher, DAV School, Dr. NTTPS, Ibrahimpatnam. This is the continuation part of lesson 4, that is life in the northern plains. So in this session, we will start with Bihar state. Children, what is the capital of Bihar? Yes, Patna is the capital of Bihar. Now let us see the climatic conditions. Bihar is mildly cold in the winter and hot in the summer. The state receives good rainfall. Okay, children. So during the winter season, it is cold, and during the summer, it is so hot. Bihar state receives a good rainfall. Soil of Bihar is extremely fertile, which make ideal for agriculture. So here the soil is very fertile, so that's why it is suitable for agriculture field. Now let us see the crops. Rice, corn and sugarcane are the main crops that are grown in Bihar state. Now let us see Madhubani paintings. So Madhubani paintings are world famous. Now let us see some more information. It is one of the most famous art form. This particular type of art was used by women to decorate their house walls and doors so as to seek God's blessings for peace and prosperity. Okay, children. So this type of art was used by women. So they have to decorate the doors and house walls for the sake of God's blessings. Okay, children. Do you understand? Now let us see the festivals. Chhath festival. This is so famous in Bihar state. This festival is dedicated to sun. The sun is worshipped as the prime source of energy that sustains all lives on the earth. So this Chhath festival is dedicated to sun god. So he is worshipped as the main source of energy. Okay, children. Now let us see another festivals, Teej and Chitragupta festivals. The above picture is Teej festival and the below picture is Chitragupta festival. These two festivals are so famous in Bihar state. Now let us see another celebrations, that is Shravani Mela. And Sonepur Cattle Fair, it is also very famous in Bihar state. Now let us see the tourism attractions. Bodh Gaya. Okay, children. Gautam Buddha is believed to attain enlightenment under a peepal tree in Bodh Gaya. So this is a tourism attraction. And Bodh Gaya is an important pilgrimage center also. Now let us see another one, that is Nalanda University in Bihar. Nalanda is in the Bihar state and it marks the site of the once famous Buddhist university, also known as the Nalanda University. Now let us see the languages. Bhojpuri, Hindi and Urdu. So these three are the main languages that are spoken by Bihari people. Okay, children, do you understand? Now let us see the main food. So these are the main food that are taken by Bihar people. Okay, children, the staple food is rice, lentils and wheat flour. So these three are the main foods. Now let us see another one. So these are the favorite dishes of Biharis. So what are these? Litti chaka and khadi bari. Okay children. So this is the information about Bihar state. Now children, let us see another state, that is Jharkhand. One of India's newest states was carved out of the southern portion of Bihar in 2000. So Jharkhand, once it is a part of Bihar, but now it is a full-fledged state. Okay children. Now let us see the meaning of Jharkhand. Jar means forest, Khand means land. So what is the meaning of Jharkhand? Land of forest. Okay children. Children, what is the capital of Jharkhand? Yes, Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand state. It is a smart city. Now let us see the famous places that are situated in Jharkhand state. Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Sindri, Hazaribagh and Dhanbad are the major cities in Jharkhand. Okay children. So what are the major cities that are situated in Jharkhand? Yes, Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Sindri, Hazaribagh and Dhanbad. Okay children. Do you understand? Now let us see one by one. It is a steel plant that is located at Bokaro. Okay children. Now let us see another one. This is Sindri fertilizer factory. Now let us see another one. Hazaribagh lake. It attracts so many tourists. Okay children. Now let us see. This is so famous. So Dhanbad coal factory. Now let us see some information about Dhanbad coal factory. Dhanbad is the most expensive city in Jharkhand state. This city is renowned for its coal industries and factories. So it is known as the coal capital of India. Okay children. So Dhanbad city is famous for coal industries. That's why it is known as the coal capital of India. Now let us see another one. This is Tata company. It is situated in Jamshedpur. It is the largest industry or factory in Jamshedpur, and it is that of a Tata Steel. It is the first steel mill of India. Okay children. So the Tatas had set up the first steel mill of India in Jamshedpur. Now let us see another attraction, that is Betla National Park. It is also attracts so many tourists. Okay children. Now let us see another one. Hazaribagh National Park. It is also so famous in Jharkhand state. Okay children. So this national park is home to so many animals and birds. Chota Nagpur Plateau. So the Jharkhand state lies on the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay children. Children, let us see the languages. Hindi, Bhojpuri, Urdu and Maithili. So these are the languages that are spoken by Jharkhand people. Okay children, do you understand? Majority of the population are Hindus in Jharkhand. Asur, Baiga and Banjara are the main tribes here. Okay children. So these are the main tribes. Asur, Baiga and Banjara. Okay children. So children, that's all for today's video. So we will meet in another video. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.